Very good morning, children. Let us focus on now cross product of two vectors. We learn cross product, or it is called as vector product. Last time we had learned scalar product, where we are getting answer as a number. Here we learn about vector product, where my answer will be a vector. Okay, so again I'll start with a bar as a1 I cap, a2 j cap, a3 k cap, b bar as b1 I cap, b2 j cap, b3 k cap. Okay, now I want to find what is a bar cross b bar. What is a bar cross b bar? Previously we had learned a bar dot b bar. Now we learn a bar cross b bar. Suppose I have vector a bar and b bar making an angle theta, and I want the representation in vector form. So I should also talk about one more vector, n cap. Now, n cap is a unit vector. N cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both a and b. N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both a and b. So by definition, a cross b, you will get it as ab sine theta n cap. Now see, this part is a number. I want answer in terms of a vector. So I am multiplying this answer by a unit vector. I am multiplying this answer by a unit vector. So definition of cross product says that a bar cross b bar is given by magnitude of a, magnitude of b, sine theta n cap. Okay. Now here n cap is given by vector upon its magnitude. n cap क्या है? यूनिट वेक्टर है जो दोनों को परपेंडिकुलर है. सो n cap आएगा a क्रॉस b अपॉन उसी का मैग्नीट्यूड. क्या है n cap? a क्रॉस b अपॉन उसी का मैग्नीट्यूड. सिमिलरली हियर sin थीटा विल बी a बार क्रॉस b बार का मैग्नीट्यूड अपॉन a का मैग्नीट्यूड इनटू b का मैग्नीट्यूड. sin थीटा विल बी a क्रॉस b का मैग्नीट्यूड अपॉन a का मैग्नीट्यूड इनटू b का मैग्नीट्यूड. Okay. Now here, like previous, since you studied in physics, I will not go in details. I cross j, if you do I cross j, by definition क्या आएगा? I j sin 90. I और j में एंगल कितना होता है? 90. So I j sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. So answer should be I j n cap. It should be I j. I is 1, j is 1. So answer should be n cap. So if I talk about this is I, this is j, and this will be my n cap. So my n cap will be your k cap. N cap will be k cap. Similarly, j cross k will be I cap, and k cross I will be j cap. Okay. Here it is just opposite of dot product. If I cross two same vectors, then their answer will be 0. Cross product of two same vectors is 0 bar. Why? Because they will make angle 0 and sine 0 is 0. So I cross I is equal to j cross j is equal to k cross k will be 0 bar. Okay. Now let us know how to find a cross b. If I want to find a cross b, I will use determinant method. My first row will be I, j, k. This will be a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. If I solve this determinant, I will get a vector, and that vector is nothing but a cross b. If I solve this determinant, that vector will be a cross b. Okay. Now if I say that A bar cross B bar is 0 bar. If A cross B bar is 0 bar, then I can say vectors are parallel. So see, one more way of checking whether vectors are parallel. The cross product should be 0. If the cross product of two vectors is 0, then vectors are parallel. And if in this cross product, if one of the point is common, I'll mark it star. If one point is common, that is one letter is common, then I can say vectors are collinear. This represents that vectors are collinear. क्या मिलेगा इसमें? Vectors are collinear. Vectors are collinear. Now see, if I do B cross A now, suppose मुझे B cross A निकालना है, we know the property of determinant. If I interchange these two rows among each other, determinant changes by minus sign. So B cross A आएगा minus A cross B. It means cross product or vector product does not obey commutative law. B cross A will be minus A cross B. Why? Because we are changing these two rows among themselves. Determinant changes by minus sign. Determinant will change by minus sign. Okay. Now suppose I have a triangle ABC. I want to find area of this triangle. So area of triangle ABC can be written as half of modulus of AB bar cross AC bar. I'll take one point common. AB bar cross AB bar का AB bar cross AC bar का modulus. If this answer comes out to be 0, vectors are collinear because A common है. Answer 0 नहीं आ रहा है. It means it is forming a triangle. After solving for area of triangle, always write the answer in positive with units. Okay. Now if I say if these two vectors A bar and B bar are adjacent sides of a parallelogram, if these two vectors are adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then I can say that area of parallelogram is nothing but A cross B का magnitude. Area of parallelogram आएगा A cross B का magnitude. That is, magnitude of cross product represents area of parallelogram provided A bar and B bar are adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Okay. Then it obeys distributive law. If I say A bar cross B bar plus C bar, this can be written as A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. It obeys distributive law. Then M times A bar cross B bar can be written as M A bar cross B bar or A bar cross M B bar. I can multiply M to any one of the vector, you get the same answer. Okay. And what else is left? Okay. This was all about cross product. Very important property is cross product of two same vectors. Cross product of two same vectors is always 0 bar. Cross product of two same vectors is always 0 bar. And remember, sin theta is, I should get a number, इसलिए magnitude of A cross B upon AB. Then I J के आंसर क्या आएगा? J K I K I J. Okay. All these proofs you have studied in physics last year, so I'm not done with all the proofs again. Okay. Let us start with the first sum. Find the cross product A bar cross B bar. Find the cross product A bar cross B bar. Verify that it is orthogonal to both A bar and B bar. And you have to verify that whether this vector is orthogonal. Orthogonal का मतलब क्या है? Perpendicular to A bar and B bar. You have to check that. Let us try to solve that. So first one is A bar is given as I plus J minus K. b bar is given as 2i plus 4j plus 6k. ठीक है, first we need to find a cross b, so I'll find a bar cross b bar. We know you have to solve it by determinant, so I j k. इधर आएंगे a के कोएफिशिएंट्स, so 1 1 minus 1. Here b के कोएफिशिएंट्स, so I'll get I cap 6 plus 4 that is 10 minus j cap, remember हमेशा माइनस आएगा, 6 plus 2 that is 8, k cap 4 minus 2 that is 2. That is I got a bar cross b bar as 10i minus 8j plus 2k. Correct? Now they are asking you, is this vector perpendicular to a bar? So क्या करेंगे? I will find a bar cross b bar dot a bar. इस वेक्टर का डॉट प्रोडक्ट निकालेंगे a bar से, तो क्या आएगा? This vector into a bar. So 10 plus minus 8 plus minus 2. If the dot product of two vectors is 0, 0 आ रहा है, therefore I can say a bar cross b bar is perpendicular to a bar. A bar cross b bar is perpendicular to a bar. Similarly b bar के लिए चेक करना है, so I'll find a bar cross b bar dot b bar. क्या आएगा? 10 to 20 plus minus 8 into 4 minus 32 and 6 into 2 12. Again I am getting the answer 0, so I can say a bar cross b bar is perpendicular to b bar. Therefore a bar cross b bar is orthogonal to a bar as well as b bar. Understood? Yes. Now this question is very very important for every stream, let it be CBSE, ICSE or state board. Find all vectors. What is the question? Find all vectors of magnitude 10 root 3. Find all vectors of magnitude 10 root 3 that are perpendicular to the plane of I plus 2j plus k and minus I plus 3j plus 4k. एक ऐसा वेक्टर फाइंड करना है जिसका मैग्नीट्यूड 10 रूट 3 है और वो दोनों को परपेंडिकुलर है. क्या है वो? दोनों को परपेंडिकुलर. सो व्हेन दे आस्क यू वेक्टर परपेंडिकुलर टू बोथ वेक्टर, ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट एन कैप. फर्स्ट यू विल फाइंड एन कैप. एन कैप से क्या मिलेगा? अ वेक्टर ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड 1 यूनिट. आई वांट अ वेक्टर ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड 10 रूट 3 यूनिट. ठीक है, सो एन कैप क्या आएगा? a क्रॉस b अपॉन उसी का मैग्नीट्यूड. दिस why I am doing this? Because I know that n cap is the only vector which is perpendicular to both of them and its magnitude is 1. ठीक है, तो you assume that this is a bar and this is b bar. So first I need to find what is a bar cross b bar. क्या आएगा? I hope you know how to solve this. Minus 1, 3, 4. So I'll get a bar as a cross b as 8 minus 3, 5. This also 5. This also 5. ठीक है? So I got a cross b as 5. अब इसका मैग्नीट्यूड निकालना है, तो क्या आएगा? a क्रॉस b का मैग्नीट्यूड. This will be square root of 5 square, 5 square, 5 square. That is 5 root 3. Am I right? Therefore, मेरा n कैप कितना आएगा? 5i minus 5j plus 5k upon 5 root 3. This is a vector of magnitude 1 unit. So I'll say I want a vector n bar whose magnitude should be 10 root 3. So I'll write all vectors बोला इसलिए magnitude नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, हम सिर्फ लिखते हैं पॉजिटिव लिखते हैं. So 10 root 3 times n cap. What will be answer? 1 इंटू 10√3, इसका यूनिट 1 है तो 1 को 10√3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आंसर आएगा 10√3, करेक्ट। सो 5√3 2 प्लस माइनस 2 टाइम्स 5i minus 5j plus 5k. This is a vector. It is perpendicular to both vectors. Okay? Is it clear? Yes. Now third question, again a very important. If u bar plus v bar plus w bar is 0, you have to show that u bar cross v bar is equal to v cross w to w cross u. ठीक है? So what will I do now? I know u plus v plus w is 0. मुझे क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट चाहिए वेक्टर्स का, तो मैं क्या करता हूं? I'll write this as u bar plus v bar plus w bar equal to 0. I'll take cross product with vector v on both sides. मैं क्या करूंगा? I will take multiplication with vector v bar on both sides. करेक्ट? तो 0 इंटू वी कितना आएगा? 0. ये क्या हो जाएगा? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉस है u बार क्रॉस v बार, v बार क्रॉस v बार, w बार क्रॉस v बार. करेक्ट? Now if you observe carefully, my cross product of two vectors is always 0. तो v क्रॉस v कितना आएगा? 0. What will I get? u बार क्रॉस v बार, ये प्लस राइट साइड में जाएगा तो माइनस, सो माइनस w बार क्रॉस v बार. मुझे w क्रॉस v मिला है बट आई वांट v क्रॉस w. सो इसको इसको कॉम्यूटेटिव लॉ अप्लाई किया. इफ आई चेंज दिस ऑर्डर, दिस माइनस विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. ठीक है? कैन यू सी? विद जस्ट वन मल्टीप्लिकेशन आई गॉट माय फर्स्ट कंडीशन दैट u क्रॉस v इज इक्वल टू v क्रॉस w. अब सेम इक्वेशन u बार प्लस v बार प्लस w बार इक्वल टू 0, इसको w से मल्टीप्लाई करो. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? w से. क्या आएगा? इसको w से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो ये 0 ही रहेगा. सो u बार क्रॉस w बार, v बार क्रॉस w बार, w बार क्रॉस w बार इक्वल टू 0. ये 0 है. करेक्ट? डॉट क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेम वेक्टर्स, तो u क्रॉस w माइनस v क्रॉस w आएगा. करेक्ट? मेरे पास u w है, मुझे w u चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? w u. So I'll take this minus sign on this side. I will interchange this. So w cross u, v cross w. ये दोनों इक्वल है. From both the red boxes, I can say that my given statement is true. Understood? Yes? Is it clear, everyone? Some good sums. The second and third sums are very important. Next sum. If a bar, b bar, c bar is given, they have given a bar as 3i minus j plus 2k, b bar as 2i and c bar as, you have to verify. First you have to find a cross b cross c, then you have to find a bar cross b bar cross c bar, and you have to check whether first and second are equal. What you have to check? Whether first and second are equal. So how will you do? Normal. First I will find first one में a cross b. क्या आएगा a cross b? I j k 3 minus 1 2 2 1 minus 1. पहले ब्रैकेट a cross b को है, that I will find. क्या आएगा? 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7. 3 plus 2 5. So I got a cross b as minus I plus 7j plus 5k. ये वेक्टर जो है, इस वेक्टर को c वेक्टर से क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करना है. तो इन शॉर्ट व्हाट आई वांट, a बार क्रॉस b बार क्रॉस c बार. अगेन आई टू अप्लाई डिटर्मिनेंट आई जे के। ए क्रॉस बी कितना आया -175, सी कितना है 1 -2 2, ठीक है। सो व्हाट विल आई गेट आई कैप 14 + 10 24 minus j -2 -5 that is -7, this will become 2 -7 that is -5, ठीक है। now what you will do, you will first find b cross c, then उसको a cross b cross c से मल्टीप्लाई करके चेक करना whether you get the answer what I have got. If not, they are not verified. If you get the same answer, it means they are verified. If you get same answer, it means they are verified. Okay, is it clear? Now next question is find the area of triangle ABC. Find the area of triangle ABC having vertices 1 2 0, B 1 0 2 and C 0 3 1. I want to find the area of this triangle. You have learned various ways. Heron's formula. There are n number of ways to find, but we want to do it by vectors. So what will I do? I'll start with let A bar, B bar, C bar be position vectors of A, B and C respectively. ठीक है? So my A bar becomes I cap plus 2j cap plus 0k cap. B बार हो जाएगा I cap 0j 2k. Then C बार हो जाएगा 0I plus 3j plus k. ठीक है? Now we know that formula of area of triangle ABC is half modulus of AB bar cross AC bar. क्या है? AB bar cross AC bar. So first I need to find what is AB bar. So I'll first find what is AB bar. I'll find what is AC bar. AB मतलब B minus A. So B minus A करेंगे 0 -2 2. ये आ रहा है 0 -2 2. You will write all the steps. I am just explaining you. AC मतलब C minus A. तो -I plus j plus k, -I plus j plus k. Once I get both the vectors, I want to find its cross product. That is AB cross AC. क्या आएगा? Again matrix method. Sorry, determinant 0 -2 2 -1 1 1. अप्लाई करो, क्या आंसर आएगा देखते हैं। Sorry, 2 -2. So I'm getting AB cross AC vector as -4I -2j -2k. अब इसका मैग्नीट्यूड निकालना है. That is AB bar cross AC bar. क्या आएगा? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ -4 का स्क्वायर, करेक्ट, 16 + 4 + 4 24 आएगा. Therefore area of triangle ABC will be √24/2 square units. If you want, you can further simplify. क्या आएगा? √6 square units. This will be the area of triangle of the given vertices A, B, C. Okay.